Well, you must be those Galactic Rangers. We're about to save the minions from me. Yeah, you must be the alien who wants to eat them.
Yeah, let the minions go, now!
Never! They're mine! Ha ha ha!
Yeah, you'll have to fight me first. I'm gonna mess you two up.
No! Wormy! You two may be able to destroy that lunatic, but Luna and Muscles will be more than a match for you.
Bring it on, One Eye!
Oh no, let's get out of here!
Woo! We did it, you guys! We saved the minions from those nasty aliens! Thank you, Sally. Aw, you're welcome, Bob. Now come on, we gotta get you guys home. Gru is so worried about you.